Alright, welcome to Code Man's Auto. I got a KKSEVENS Induction Heater. And if you've never owned an induction heater and you're buying your first one, the question that you want the answer to is what size induction heater should I buy? 1300 watt and bigger, that's the sizes you want to go to. The 1300 watt is perfect for the shop. If you're a construction company and you're taking a piece of equipment down that has been outside for years and you have a lot of boats to take off in a short amount of time, you're trying to take it apart, then you might step up to a 15 or 1800 watt, and that would work out better for you heating one boat right after another. Another thing I want to talk to you about, if you run a shop, what you're going to run into on the newer vehicles, and as you can see, they have put Loctite on the boats, and that Loctite needs to be heated up so those bolts will come out easier. The bolts are soft and the Loctite will get so tight in the threads that it will actually break the head off of the boat. Okay, if you want to know how much the KK7s might cost you, I'm going to have links below in my description. If you're on your cell phone, hit the more button. It'll drop you down to the links below and you can click on it. Okay, so just to let you know, I have not opened this kit up yet, so I have no clue what's inside of this box. I am seeing it for the first time, just as you are. And there you have it. You have a manual. These here are called coils. This is what does the heating. You have some for a really big boat, and then you have some for a really small boat. Okay, so pulling the induction heater out. So if you look right here, they have a little warning up here. Green check mark, this is the way you're supposed to use it. Red X, this is the way you're not supposed to use it. So this is pretty neat, and you can go by that a little bit. These two knobs will screw right into the side, just like that. After you get your knobs installed, you'll slide your coil right down in the two holes beside the knobs, and then you'll just tighten your knobs up against the coil. Just like that. I'm going to put one of these other coils on, and I'm going to take it out here, and I'm going to show you how to heat a boat up with it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is heat up this rusted boat. You can hear the heater kick in. Okay, so there's a little light right in the center, LED light. And I'll just show you how to heat this boat up. I hold the button down for about 3 to 6 seconds at a time. Okay, as you can see, the coil never touches the boat head. The coil sets around the boat head and you leave a gap all the way around it. It doesn't heat up by touching it. And actually, if you touch that coil, what you will do is burn the coil up. I burnt one up on purpose. I wanted to show you what it would look like if you touched it to the metal. And here's what it would look like. This is the coil that I burned up on purpose. I put it right on the boat head and I forced it to work, and this is what I came up with. It did heat the boat up, but it messed my coil up to where it's not usable. Another reason I really like the induction heaters is because you don't have to worry about the open flame that we used to have to deal with underneath the vehicles. The cars nowadays have so much plastic underneath of them that an open flame is just not a good idea. So if I got this boat heated up as hot as I need it, this would be a good place right here to where I would stop and try to take this boat loose. Okay, so as you can see, I'm getting the boat head really hot. You can see how red it is. That's way too hot to try to remove that boat now. What you risk if you get it that hot is you see the fabric on the coil. The heat off of the boat could destroy that fabric and you would ruin your coil. So you don't want to get the boat head that hot. I'm taking a chance on ruining my coil. I just wanted to show you how hot that I could actually get that boat head with this induction heater. And there you have it, guys. That was about, looks like about 2 minutes. worth of heat. After reviewing the KK7's magnetic induction heater, I just want to let you know it doesn't take long for a tool like this to pay for itself. You get a few bolts broke loose or a few nuts broke loose that you normally couldn't get loose. Something like this will pay for itself pretty quickly. It's got a nice carrying case. It comes with a lot of cools and the price is competitive. And like I said, look in my description below to see what this might cost you. This is Codeman's Auto. Please like and please subscribe.